Suns rise in the morning's glow.
Imagine, if you will, waking up one fine morning to a spectacle that defies the ordinary. A sky not merely illuminated by a single sun.
Look at the stars.
Such a big universe.
But instead awash in the glorious warm glow of not one but two magnificent suns. Picture yourself stepping outside, greeted by the dazzling light that bathes the landscape in an ethereal glow. What might life on our cherished planet Earth look like if we were graced, or perhaps cursed, with the presence of a second sun? Would our world metamorphose into a verdant paradise, bursting with life and vibrancy, or would it spiral into a parched wasteland, beset by nature's most extreme challenges? Join us today as we embark on a thrilling journey to unravel this captivating scenario, diving deep into the scientific implications, the imaginative possibilities, and the myriad realities that could emerge in a binary star system. So, fasten your seatbelts and prepare yourselves for an extraordinary expedition through the realms of science, creativity, and the potential consequences of a world bathed in the brilliant light of two suns. To embark on this fascinating exploration, we must first establish a fundamental understanding of what constitutes a binary star system. Binary stars are remarkable celestial entities that exist in pairs, orbiting around a shared center of mass. These stars can exhibit considerable variation in size, brightness, and even color, showcasing a dazzling diversity in their characteristics and behaviors. In fact, astronomers estimate that nearly half of all stars in our galaxy are part of some form of binary system. Notable examples of binary star systems include the illustrious Alpha Centauri, our closest stellar neighbor, and the brilliant Sirius, famous for its striking luminosity. As we ponder the intriguing scenario of Earth being illuminated by two suns, it becomes increasingly apparent that the gravitational dynamics of our solar system would undergo dramatic and potentially chaotic changes.
Sometimes life finds a way.
We're not meant to save the world. We're meant to leave it.
The gravitational influences exerted by both suns would significantly alter the orbits of the planets, including our own Earth, potentially leading to complex and unpredictable orbital patterns that could reshape our solar system in ways we can only begin to fathom. What new rhythms of celestial motion might we witness?
Don't be afraid, darling!
How might these gravitational forces interact with the delicate balance that has sustained life on our planet? Next, let us turn our attention to the critical aspects of climate and weather. The existence of two suns would mean that our planet would bask in an unprecedented abundance of solar energy, likely resulting in a significant rise in global temperatures. This dramatic increase in heat could catalyze extreme weather phenomena.
This is just the beginning!
Cold never bothered me anyway.
That humanity has never before experienced. Blistering summers, significantly shorter winters, and violent storms fueled by the excess heat radiating from both suns. While some regions might transform into inhospitable wastelands, others could flourish in this new and altered environment. The equatorial regions could evolve into vast, arid deserts, while areas farther from the equator might witness the emergence of entirely new and diverse ecosystems, adapting creatively to the unique conditions created by the dual suns. The delicate balance of life as we know it would be profoundly affected, leading to opportunities and challenges in equal measure. How would humanity adapt to these new climates? Would we innovate new forms of agriculture or develop new technologies to cope with the extremes? Now, let's delve into the intriguing topic of day and night cycles. Would our days become considerably longer, or would the very concept of night fade away into oblivion? If both suns were to rise and set at similar times, we might find ourselves ensnared in a state of perpetual daylight, a phenomenon that could disrupt our natural circadian rhythms and significantly impact our sleep patterns and daily routines. Imagine the challenges of trying to find rest in a world where the sun never truly sets, where the vibrant colors of dusk are replaced by the relentless brightness of two suns. On the other hand, if the suns were to follow distinct orbital paths, we might experience alternating periods of day and night, leading to unique and varied patterns of light and darkness that could redefine our understanding of time itself. This duality could introduce an entirely new rhythm to our lives, influencing everything from work schedules to cultural practices. Would we adapt our sleeping patterns, or would new technologies emerge to help us cope with the changes? What implications would this dual sun scenario hold for life on Earth? The flora and fauna would undoubtedly need to adapt to the radically altered environmental conditions.
And I speak for the trees.
With increased sunlight pouring down, photosynthesis could become more efficient, potentially resulting in larger and more abundant plant life. Envision forests bursting with vibrant colors and lush vegetation unlike anything we have ever witnessed, where trees stretch higher and flowers bloom in a riot of hues. However, the challenges of adaptation would not be easy for all species. Many would struggle to cope with the extreme heat and rapidly changing habitats, leading to the possibility of mass extinctions. We could also witness the emergence of new species that are better suited to thrive in this unique dual sun environment, creating an incredibly diverse and fascinating tapestry of life. The evolutionary journey would be one of both resilience and innovation, as nature finds a way to adapt to the extraordinary circumstances. Now let's consider the profound impact that two suns would have on human society. Our cultures, architectural designs, and daily routines would undergo radical transformations. Buildings might be ingeniously designed to provide shade and protection from the intense sunlight, incorporating features such as reflective surfaces and natural ventilation. Clothing styles would evolve to adapt to the increased heat and UV exposure, leading to innovations in fabric technology and fashion. Imagine a world where fashion is not only a form of self-expression, but also a necessity for survival, where the colors and materials we choose are influenced by the climate we live in. Moreover, we could witness the rise of new spiritual beliefs, myths, and legends centered around the dual suns, which would likely influence various aspects of art, literature, and religion.
The Force will be with you.
The presence of two suns could inspire a rich tapestry of cultural expressions that reflect humanity's relationship with this extraordinary celestial phenomenon, enriching our global heritage and leading to new forms of storytelling and artistic creation. In conclusion, the concept of life on Earth with two suns presents a complex tapestry woven from both challenges and adaptations. While we might observe an increase in biodiversity and the blossoming of new cultural developments, we would simultaneously face significant environmental hurdles that could reshape our very existence. The duality of our suns would intricately influence every facet of life, from the climate we experience to the very structures of our societies. The potential for both wonder and adversity is immense. What are your thoughts on what life would be like in a world illuminated by two suns?
I have so many questions.
To infinity and beyond!
We invite you to share your imaginative ideas and reflections in the comments below. If you found this exploration of hypothetical worlds intriguing, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content that pushes the boundaries of imagination. Your input is invaluable to us as we continue to explore the wonders of our universe.
Suns rise in the morning's glow, casting light on fields below. Their warmth ignites the sky with gold, a story yet to be told. Shadows flee as they ascend, journeys start where horizons bend. Every step a dance of fate, beauty never born too late. Twin suns lighting up the day, dreams they chase and worlds they sway. Together they create a path, guiding through the aftermath. Mountains roar in silent praise, oceans mirror their embrace. In their light we find our place, every heart begins to race. Whispers of a cosmic song echo cries where we belong. With each ray our spirits soar, two suns opening the door. Twin suns lighting up the day, dreams they chase and worlds they sway. Together they create a path, guiding through the aftermath. Twin suns lighting up the day, dreams they chase and worlds they sway. Together they create a path, guiding through the aftermath. Whispers of a cosmic song echo cries where we belong. With each ray our spirits soar to suns opening.